So hello everyone, this is Rayhan and I am now in our project Hobigonj Agro Limited, and this is our control room. We control every machine in here. So you can see there uh, in my back it's a panel board. We can control all machine from here, and I want to see you guys some interesting thing right now. So it's summer, everybody knows summer, and right now what temperature in the outside. I'm gonna show you the temperature right now. We have sensor here. Okay, so you can see the board. In this board our temperature sensor showing us 38.2 degrees Celsius in the outside of temperature, and in outside temperature is 29.9 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature here, and we have an AC here to control temperature to save our panel board. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you enjoyed, please do subscribe, like and leave a comment. Thank you.